Hi, I'm Phil Terry, Project Manager of the Gisborne Wastewater Treatment Plant. It was a project that was awarded to McConnell Dowell after quite a long process of value engineering around the ground stabilisation. We went from a lattice frame into a mixed mass raft, which saved the client some money and saved a lot of time with no dewatering. So it consisted of a large pumping station to pump the partly processed water through the new plant. That pumping station required very deep excavation and very soft sandy ground. Stage 2, which is a clarifier, tertiary filters and a sludge dewatering component. The key of that project is to actually reduce contaminants that are going out into the ocean and reuse the water within the plant. The job itself was fully digital engineered with full 3D model to prefab and build stairwells and some of the framework.
My name's Steve Shortland, I'm the mechanical superintendent. One of the many challenges we had was the remoteness of the site, is getting materials here on time. It came down to execution and planning of the work. We'd try and get everything here prior to us needing it months in advance. We engaged a lot of local engineering companies to do a lot of prefabrication. As you can see here, the structure here in front of us for the inlet to the clarifiers, that was built by Gisborne Engineering. Yeah, as we do when we come into any town, we try and recruit as much local labour as possible. And we've upskilled some of our local labour.
The collaboration between the client, the designers and the constructors was great on this job. Everybody helped to make this project a success.